students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NIT-JEE graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. So next question is to find the general solution of the differential equation y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. So let's try to solve this. So this y will multiply with 0 and it will become 0. So what we have? Y dx minus x dy is equals to 0. Now we'll take this quantity on the other side, means y dx is equals to x dy, correct? Now we'll take same variables on the same side, means we'll take x on same side and y on the same side. So dx by x is equals to dy by y. Now we'll integrate on both the sides, correct? So after integration, we will get integration of 1 upon x will be natural log of x. Similarly, integration of 1 upon y will be log of y. And since it is indefinite integration, we'll have to add a constant c, correct? So if this c is the constant, since whole equation in terms of logarithm, we'll take the constant in also terms of logarithm to make our work easier. This is also constant, right? Now what we'll do, using this we can write this is nothing but log of x is equals to this log of y plus log of c. We can multiply it, means this will become log of c into y, correct? Correct. This is the property of a logarithm. Now we can cancel out both the logs. So this will become x is equals to cy. So this is our general solution of the equation. Now there is another way to solve this equation. If you understand the pattern, in this pattern, if we will divide this entire equation by y again, what will happen? This will become y dx minus x dy divided by y square is equals to 0 divided by y will again be 0. Now if you understand, this is the differentiation of x upon y. This is differentiation of x upon y. If we'll do differentiation of x upon y, what we'll do, we'll keep denominator square, then denominator as it is, then differentiation of numerator, then numerator as it is, and differentiation of denominator. This is nothing but differentiation of x by y, which is equals to 0. So if differentiation of some quantity is 0, means that quantity should be constant, means x by y is equals to constant c, implies x is equals to c into y, correct? So there are two ways to solve this question. This is the simpler method and this is a natural method. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.